us financially whenever required to.
Thank you, Mr. President. That is all for now.
Thank you as well, and enjoy the rest of the day.
That has been Christ Community School's president, affirming that all is well. I now take you back to the studio.
There you have it. That brings us straight to our guest who is right here with us. She's an enthusiast of co-curricular activities, an embodiment of self-drive, dreams and passion. We have invited her to share with us her journey and aspiration. Welcome. Kindly introduce yourself.
Thank you so much, Precious Ndanu. I am truly pleased to be here holding this conversation. My name is Chantel Maina. I am a learner in grade 4 and a member of the Drama and Film Club.
Could you please tell us more about yourself, your journey, and how you came into the decision of joining Drama and Film Club?
Like I said earlier, I am still a primary school learner. My journey in learning has been one of a kind, being that I am in one of the pioneer classes of CBE since it is learner-centered. It gives us the opportunity to create as we learn and learn as we create. I joined Drama and Film Club when I was in grade 3. Initially, it was out of pure excitement. Through the consistency, the thrilling experience of exploring different genres, great potential has been unlocked in me.
Interesting. You mentioned that you have experienced different genres. What do you mean by genres?
Genres are basically different categories of performing arts, like stage performance, public speaking, dance, and screen performance.
I understand that performing arts falls under one of the pathways. Perhaps for the sake of our viewers, which one is it, and would you personally choose it and maybe specialize it in one of the tracks?
Performing arts is in creative arts and sports pathway. There are two other pathways, that is STEM and social sciences. Creative arts and sports is designed to focus on individual talents, fueled by passion and the dream of becoming a star in the film industry. I am definitely looking forward to undertaking this pathway, particularly theater and film as my subject combination.
What has been the most outstanding moment ever since you joined this club?
The whole experience has been one thing I'll forever hold dear. However, the fact that as a club, we have represented not only the school, but the Nairobi region in the National Drama and Film Festival 2 years in a row is something to be proud of. And to me, that will forever remain etched in my mind. We learned a lot on the national platforms, especially from watching similar items from our peers.
Are you planning to do this again next year?
Without a doubt, yes, God willing.
What could be done to support this cause?
The school should be ready to invest and provide all that is needed, from the costumes to the equipment. Also, keep watching our performance on social media, that is TikTok and YouTube. The username is Christ Community School. As for the parents, your support is very vital in all our activities. Most importantly, keep praying for us as we continue our journey in discovering and nurturing our talents.
Your parting shots?
Give your children the freedom as you guide them to discover and nurture their talents. Let their confidence be crowned with their support. As the saying goes, if you don't turn your life into a story, you just become a part of someone else's story. Take part in nurturing excellence in your child.
We've come to the end of our interview. Stay tuned and enjoy all the other events.